Okay, photo session. Pacifica, Oh, ayaw sa undang. Sige pa diha. Sige pa. Photo session. Ang among model is ang friend ni Deneb na si Edith. Yang among mga professional photographer si Ray Climaco from Illinois. O among lighting props man, Dominic Amora. Tarabe. Lighting props man. Sige pa. Randy Alianic ang microphone. Sige lang, Ray, sige lang. Let me take this. Okay ra, Ray, okay ra. Shooting yun. Oy, kabuang, oy. Dominic. Okay. Dili. Sige lang, Ray. Sige lang. Ako lang kuhaan. Oy, kabuang. Next model, Dominic. Dominic. Give it some attitude, Dominic. Attitude. Make love with the camera. Pouty lips. Pout that lips. Okay. Seduce the camera, be. Aska po ang John, unsa man na John? Hi John. Blood pressure up? BP na dakan doktor oh. Doctors and nurses.
I need to change oil. I think I need to change oil.
Jiffy Lube. Ay, kabuang. Go run ako across the room ha. Ricky Seifert. Ricky Seifert. Rico Pepito. And the two Ricos Denny, Rico Pepito. And from Calgary, Rico Rodriguez. Unsa to Jan? Unsa to Ran? Dili. Right to left. You know who he is, diba? The man. Randy. Mr. and Mrs. Alburo. Remember him, guys? Alan and Mimi. Diba? Model mas Lacoste. Lacosta. And Ray Climaco. Are. Sa likod si Gilbert Sionco. Come on, Gilbert. Come up, Gilbert. Video ni ha, video. Kini mo ang maniniyot karon for the weekend si Ray Climaco. And Dominic.
Hello.
Hayag dire hayag.
The model.
Kini siya mo ni among
Hi.
mo ni among Occupy Playhouse.
Hi.
Occupy Playhouse, attitude.
Pose na rin mo, pag-asawa.
Kinsa pa may nas kusina on the kitchen. Mimi, say hi to Batch 81 and Alan.
Hi, Batch 81. It's fun to be here.
Daoy. From LA ni sila, from LA.
Thank you, Miss Kay.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for coming, good. Ay, Tagalog pala, sorry. Ray Pentespina in the house. Bago lang abot si Ray karon. Sunday. Ricky Alvarez and Paulo Niere. Ha? No? No. Some guys have left. Si Orly, Ilakaw na. Ay, man Ringo. Missing man Ringo. Ang uban, hi Randy. What can you say to our groups?
I'm very happy.
Core members man siya, ha?
I'm very happy today.
You are? Now that you've won the Super Bowl, what are you gonna do next? You're going to Disneyland? Kwapo man ay gano.
Photogenic ba?
Oh, photogenic kayo.
Sorry about my hair.
Hay, mang imong voice na pod. Unsa kay nagtabo? Ang imong voice. Oh, dere. Okay. Dena.
He's my partner. I open up my show and
And this is your main attraction. Okay. Hi, Mr. Dominic. How are you?
I'm fine, take it away. Excuse me.
I'm fine, thank you.
You're fine, thank you. What can you say about this reunion?
Sure.
This reunion?
Uh-huh.
What can I say about this reunion?
Oh,
This reunion is so united.
United Airlines.
Yes.
Okay.
So,
Are you happy you came?
I'm so happy I came and also I came.
Hala, oy. Mo ni view sa balay. Pagi lang siya sa gawas, di makita. Pagi siya karon. Naon? Janjo.
Hello.
How you doing, sir?
I'm okay.
Yeah. You look pretty in pink. Yeah, exactly. Sige, off na to. Puhang Alan, Alan, Alburo. Never imagine I'll see Alan again and Gilbert after all these years. LA boys. Cameraman po si Ray. Ray, taking pictures. Maniniyot ng taon na for the weekend. Monica ron. Third day na ninamo. Third day. Oh, second day. Oh yeah, third day. Sunday. September 2nd. This is our second day off na po. Ang uban, nangaligo pa. Tapos taas, tapos ubos. Ha? Ano? Oh, wala ang ating Chanel face today. Okay lang. Thank you. Ako ipakita ninyo ang balay ni Kuan, ni Dominic. Oh, picture. Picture, apil ko.
Okay, sikit ha. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
Tako kay impact ni mo.
Ha? Gapo ha. Okay, sign off takadali. Sign off.